I didn't watch the Super Bowl. Um, Sports are kind of against my religion. But I did think Bad Bunny's performance during the halftime show was pretty awesome. Um, One thing I did hear something about was Ring Doorbell's Super Bowl ad. And I found that rather interesting. Um, it showed how through Ring Doorbell you could find your lost pet. Big Brother is watching. One thing that it reminded me of was the Idaho 4 um, trial that we had just not too long ago, where 4 college students were unalived. And one of the ways that that crime was solved was through people's doorbell cameras. They managed to get the car of the perpetrator on multiple cameras so that they could show the progression. And Ring Doorbell just very, not so subtly, during the Super Bowl came out and let you know that, hey, ICE, here's a great way to catch immigrants and use the people who are very much against the unconstitutional behavior that's going on in our country right now. Ring Doorbell partners with Flock. What I saw basically was a really good advertisement for why people should get rid of their Ring doorbells. If you're going to have Big Brother watching you and hacking into your telephones, personally, I think it's time to dump Ring. We had a security camera for a while. We needed it for a short period of time, and I do know how they work. Goes sends your video to your phone and all that. Uh, I remember that the ketamine clown has managed to give our government access to every bit of our information, and now the ICE Nazis are using some pretty high-tech military equipment against citizens, and now Ring Doorbell has jumped into that mix and said, "Hey, we want to walk on citizens' rights and step on the Constitution too." Hang on to your sanity.